Are you tired of scrolling through endless rows to find the latest update? Learn to sort by date in Smartsheet in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to access your sheet and select the date column. Then, we'll walk through the sorting options to get your data in order. Start on the Smartsheet homepage, where you'll see your list of sheets. Open the sheet that contains the date column you want to sort by. Right-click on that column header to bring up the context menu. Then, click on Sort Rows to open the Sort dialog. In the dialog, click the drop-down under Sort Items By. Choose the column you want to sort by, for example, due date. Then decide whether to sort ascending or descending. Finally, click OK to apply the sort. And that's it. Your rows are now sorted by date. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.